how to swipe typing, fix, restore auto space on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. So you will see general management is here, so click on general management. Now here, so scroll down and click on Samsung keyboard setting. So after click on Samsung keyboard setting, scroll down and click on more typing option. So after click on more typing option, you will see so auto spacing is here, so click on auto spacing. So if you want to swipe typing, fix, restore auto spacing, so you will see turn on. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can swipe typing, fix, restore auto space on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.